we have been taking a look at the essentials of a valid contract in detail, and one of the essential elements of a valid contract is free consent. In this video, I, Dr. Mariam Maruna, will be taking you through the meaning of consent, and we'll also be taking a look at what we mean by free consent. When we say that a party's consent to a contract should be free, what do we mean by that? So this video covers the topics of consent and free consent, which is in chapter 1, the law of contract, according to the third year BCom 2013 pattern syllabus of Savitribai Phule Pune University. So what do you mean by consent? According to section 13 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, two or more persons are said to consent when they agree on the same thing in the same sense. So let's take an example of A and B. A has his car to sell. It is of, say, a certain brand, and he expects rupees 2 lakhs. He makes that offer to sell the car for rupees 2 lakhs to B. B knows that A owns more than one car, and so he accepts the offer to buy that particular car for rupees 2 lakhs. So here these A and B are both said to be consenting to the contract of sale of that particular car by agreeing to exchange that particular car for a price of rupees 2 lakhs. Therefore, two or more persons are said to consent when they agree on the same thing in the same sense. Now, what do you mean by free consent? According to section 14 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, consent is said to be free when it is not caused by any of the following: coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, and mistake. Now, I'm going to tell you very briefly what each of these things are, but there are separate videos on coercion and undue influence, fraud and misrepresentation, and mistake, which will help you to understand each of these concepts in a little bit of detail. So, what is coercion? Coercion is getting someone to agree to something by threatening the safety of his person or property or anyone who is dear to him. So coercion basically involves physically threatening the safety of a person or his property. It is punishable under the Indian Penal Code. It attracts criminal liability. Undue influence is said to exist in relationships where one person is in a position to dominate the will of another and to get him to agree to the contract. So there are certain relationships like a nurse and a caregiver and a boss and an employee, where one person is clearly the dominant person by virtue of his position, and therefore he might be in a position to influence the other party to enter into a contract as per his will. This is undue influence. The undue influence, though it is wrong, it creates unfair advantage in a contract. It is not an offense which attracts criminal liability. Next, what is fraud? Fraud is willful deceit, where you make a false representation knowing it to be false. With the full knowledge that it is false, still you make that representation, and on the basis of that representation, other people enter into a contract with you. So wherever you indulge in willful deceit, that is fraud. Misrepresentation is a little different from fraud in the sense that it is also deceit, but it is not willful. It is a situation where you make a representation to the opposite party or parties believing it to be true. That is, you don't have the intent to willfully deceive others. That is misrepresentation. Then mistake is where you are under some erroneous belief regarding the subject matter of the contract in terms of quality, quantity, price, title, all of these things, which we'll be taking a look at in a detailed video on mistake. A mistake may be unilateral or bilateral. So just to sum up, consent means where two or more people agree on the same thing in the same sense. Free consent, which is an essential element of a valid contract, means that consent is not caused by coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, or mistake. This was a brief overview of the concept of consent and free consent. Please do watch the next video on the meaning and differences between coercion and undue influence. Thank you.